saw it, John. You look, John.
He's shaking so much, dude.
It's heavy. Alright.
John, you're back in square one. Hi y'all. Right now we're eating dinner and this is the second night I'm gonna be ordering some stuff right now, and we have Katie here. We got Aaron, Elaine, and today's the fancy dinner thing. We took pictures and now we're gonna be ordering tea.
Myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around,
We're at the scariest part of the tour right now. It's the scale. Oh, yeah.
the sun come out, might just waste away. Don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. There's something you get used to, yeah. Go blame the June blues, yeah. It's the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. There's something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, never speaking, now they speaking.
So we hiked here. Now we're at this glacier part right there. There's everybody. Evan's right here. And then we're gonna have to walk back and we're gonna go whale watching after. So yeah.
There's really big.
Oh, okay.
Even know, monkey grinning while you watch your bros on some soulful sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it down like shit.
Hi, we're whale watching right now, but we haven't seen a whale yet.
Just that he be good.
Wow, there's 3? How many are there?
The whole family, bro. Wait, Katie, what happened to yours?
Just not gonna be the same.
Took it off?
Finna put down generations, not gonna be in vain. Too young. Why you gotta go? I just wanna know now. Too long. Try and get known. Hope you free your soul.
You keep that face until we go out. Ew, it touched me. You gotta keep that face, okay? Dude, someone can feel so. Dude, why is this channel so loud? Keep that face, you legs. I don't remember the face. Keep that face.
Good job, please.
I might have caught the juice. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all.
Hi guys, we're on the bridge now. Here's Gibson.
When the sun comes out,
So cold.
might just waste away. Don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down.
Hi guys, today we're at Jules' garden and we just had lunch. It was pretty good. Right now we're just looking around the garden where we ate our food from. Everything from lunch was from here, right here. Ugh! That's basically it. And the cabbages.
Holy, they're big.
John, you're
Ooh,
not
they're
supposed to
soft.
touch them. I want to find a bug. Okay, there's our first bug. An ant. It's a train. There's John.
Just something you get used to. Yeah, go blame the June blues. Yeah, it's just the June blues. Yeah, walk around like who you. Yeah, just something you get used to. Yeah.
John. The loop drop today at 10. I'll be on there. So watch out. And there's Aaron. We just took a bunch of photos. I'm tired. Oh god, people are watching. Okay, bye. 5, 4, 3,
floor. Yours was on the floor.
Hey, Edwin, tell Kevin and...
Ouch. Oh my god, Edwin. Don't, it's gonna go inside. We camping out here. Oh god. Sorry. You're laying. And when you get sick. Peace out. Peace out. I wanna help. Howdy boys. We're on the bus to go back right now. Got our neck pillow. Hey guys, we have like an hour left. Trees is here. And we're almost home. What a sad face. Hey guys, we're almost landing. We're back. That. Yelay! Ah, go, go, go! Oh my god, we're gonna make it. Look. Are we gonna make it? I'm scared. Look at that. Made it. Eric, don't put it on the table.
I didn't touch that.
Aaron! I didn't touch it.
However, at this time, we are going to...
Bye. Bye. Katie!
They didn't even press the...
What the hell?
What incarnation? I said the words, guys. Yeah. We go and zip lining in the rain. The squirrel from Ice Age would not be happy. Come on. Was that it? That's it? Ah, it's fighting. What? So dark.
What is she doing?
Who is that? Turn it off! No? How does it catch? Oh god. So this is your job. What the John? You're so close to it. Elaine keeps playing her panda pop thing. Peace. So we're going to the lunch thing. We already went to a bride or whatever and it was chaotic. And now we're gonna eat lunch. And that's everybody. I don't know if you can see them or not. Guys, we're in front of the groom's house, girls, and we're just getting paired up to walk in. I don't know why though. Just here for the food. Just kidding. Peace.
Yeah, I love the food.
So now we're done and got ready for the wedding. And now we're going to the dinner. Here's San Diego.
Hey, you go this way. This way. No, the other way. This way.
This way?
Yeah.
Bye guys. Peace.